Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Bosch Dishwasher E31 error code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So this error code indicates a fault in the heat pump system, likely due to malfunctioning heater that requires replacement. However, before proceeding with any replacements, it is recommended to attempt the following troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. So first, disconnect the appliance from the power source and carefully move it away from its location. Tilt it backwards and approximately a 45-degree angle to allow any excess water to drain out completely. After draining, inspect the drain hose where it connects to the house drain to ensure it is free from any obstructions or clogs. Now from then on, clean the mesh filter located inside the appliance. Ensure it is not obstructed by any debris or buildup. Now reassemble everything and reconnect the appliance to power. Select any program to assess its functionality. In this case, go ahead and follow that and see if that actually solves the issue. Now if this doesn't solve the issue, then most likely you need to call in a professional. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.